Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular lecture, we will learn that how we can download or install the Claude on our Ubuntu Linux, right? So for that, we need to follow some of the steps. So first of all, you need to come to the terminal of your Linux, Ubuntu, and then you need to search that whether the Node.js is installed or not. So write node-v, press enter. You may get the version, right? This shows that Node.js installed. Similarly, check for the npm. So npm-v, press enter, and you can see I got the version for npm also. That means both the things are installed on my system. Okay, great. Now after doing this, let's start the process of Claude. So simply just write npm install -g for downloading it globally @anthropic slash dash ai slash Claude dash code, right? This is the only command. Simply press enter and wait for it to download, right? Let's just wait for a few seconds, and yes, it is done now. So as you can see, our package has now successfully downloaded and installed. So let's clear it. So let's write here clear. Okay, press enter, and after that simply just write here Claude. Now, the moment you write Claude, you see that now you are entered to your Claude Code, right? You can see the CLI of Claude Code here, right? It is giving you option to change the mode and select the mode, and also giving you example that how you write code, right? How it will help you. Now, after selecting that, here you get the login methods. You can log in with your subscription account, right? Or console account where API usage bill will be there, or any third party platform, right? Which the Claude Code supports. So if you are having any of these, you can simply log in with that, right? Simply choose the option that you want. And Claude do not provide any free tokens, so you cannot use it freely. It all that you must have account. Now if I open it, simply you can see it is opening browser to sign in, or you can just copy this particular link to directly go to the Chrome, and you can log in it from there. Okay, since I don't have any such account to show you, so I'm not proceeding with the further step, but this is the main steps that how you can actually install the Claude on your system and how we use it. Okay, so just authenticate yourself. That's the last step, and that's it. So I hope you get the idea that how we install Claude Code in our system. Thank you.